Okay, so now you've had some time, okay, to go through that first exercise, and hopefully you've been able to find the verb in each sentence. Okay, so exercise number two, okay, you have the second exercise, and it says now fill in the blanks. So a blank is a line where you have to write something in. Now fill in the blanks with the same verbs from before. What verbs? The verbs you found in the first exercise. Okay, and I'll tell you, we're going to go through the answers later, but I'm hoping that you were able to read through these sentences on your own and that you were able to find the verb. Okay, so just in case, give you a little bit of a hint. So what do I do? Remember, the verb is the doing word. So what is it that I do? When you answer that question, that's your verb. Okay, you, what are you doing? What do you do? She, what does she do? We, what do we do? When you answer those questions, that's your verb, okay? That is the word you should be underlining. Now, you're going to take those underlined words and you're going to use them again, okay? Now, remember, you might have to change some of these verbs because depending if it's first person, second person, third person, if it's singular, if it's plural, it might change, okay? Maybe you need to add an S, maybe you need to take away an S. Again, if this seems complicated, don't worry. Don't worry because we're going to go through it. And what I want you to do is I want you to try. Just try answering it. Even if it comes out wrong, if you're able to answer it and then see the mistake, that's going to help you learn, okay? More than if you just leave it empty and you don't try. Okay, so let's go through these. He, here's your blank. He, history. He, history. So use the verb from these four sentences, the verb that goes here. I, well, but slowly. What could I possibly do good but slow? Again, find the verb, okay? The verb from these four sentences. There's one of them that fits in there perfectly. She, vanilla ice cream. Vanilla ice cream. That's food, right? It's food. So one of these sentences up here has something to do about food too. And last but not least, you to school with your friend. To school with your friend. Okay, same thing. If you look at the first four sentences, I think you'll be able to find which verb it is that you're going to use in this last one. Okay, so again, pause the video, give it a go, try your best. Okay, you don't have to you don't have to write the whole sentence. It's good for you, you get practice. But if you don't need that practice, okay, or if you just don't feel like that kind of practice right now, just try to write out the verb, okay? And please remember that it might change, okay? The verb might be a little bit different, okay?